Hi guys, I'm sure some of you have come across a problem like this. How to upload a file to Google Drive using PDF.co and make. So, here's the solution. First, I'm going to show you the sample PDF file that we're going to use for this tutorial. And here's the Google Drive folder where we will upload the PDF. Now, click Create a new scenario on your Make dashboard. Then, add a PDF.co module. Search for PDF.co and select Add text and images to a PDF. For the input file, select Import PDF from URL. Then, paste the URL where your file is located. As for the output file name, you may name it however you like. Now, to add the text to the sample PDF. Under Text Annotations, click Add Item. Set the X and Y coordinates into 100 and type the text that you want to add. Then, type the page number where you want to add the text. Once you're done, click OK. Now, we're going to add a Google Drive module. Search for Google Drive and select Upload a File. For the folder ID, choose Select from the list. Then, locate the folder where you want to upload the file. Once you're done, press OK. Now that we're done setting up the modules, it's time to run the scenario. The scenario runs successfully. Let's check the Google Drive folder if the file has been uploaded. As you can see, the PDF has been uploaded successfully. You've learned how to upload a PDF to Google Drive using PDF.co and Make. That's all for this tutorial. We have a lot of tutorials on our YouTube channel. Just search for PDF.co. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell icon. Thank you for watching.